if I did an intro because I'm so tired. I had like an hour and a half sleep, you can hear it in my voice, but guess where I am? I'm at the pyramids. I need to look where I'm going for. I'll break my face. I want to take some pictures in front of this. Look at the view. To climb up.
تصوري يا بنت الناس انت حتفضلي تنزلي وتطلعي.
لا
تفضل.
يخوف. اوكي 100
اقل من الماء.
يلا.
About for pyramid and the Giza, C9 pyramid. 6 small and 3 big. 3 big and 6 small. The people. ثلاثة أو ستة صغيرين أولاد الأهرامات. The people and the pyramid. 3 children and the cubes and 3 children and the macaroons. All this the tomb. The cemetery of the pharaohs.
The tomb.
You understand?
Yeah, the tomb, cemetery, pharaohs. Understood.
This is a small pyramid.
Yeah.
About 3 small pyramid, 3 children. 2, another one. About 3 small for big pyramid, cubes. 3 here and 3 another one, 6 small. And 3 big, 9 pyramid. We go up on the panorama for picture for all pyramid. We go down the Sphinx. نطلع هنا نشوف نتصور مع الأهرامات وننزل عند أبو الهول.
Hi. So fun fact for you guys, apparently the top...
You ride, Mona, you ride the horse same like this?
What? No way.
Yes. Scared, it's very quiet, the horse.
But yeah, so at the top of... Do you guys see how the top of this has like different material? Not material, like different rocks.
This one.
Big one. This one's the bigger one? No, this one here.
Second one. Third one.
Yeah. But yeah, at the top of this one, basically the top of it like eroded because of the rain and stuff. So the top of this bit eroded and they gathered all the rocks and they put it in like a mosque. And I'm guessing they put a rock that won't erode as quickly on top of it, which is why it's got different material. Yeah.
You want?
No.
This one. 3 small pyramids.
They're the smallest ones. There's 9 pyramids, 6 big ones. 6 small. 6 small ones, 3 big ones. I didn't know there was 9 pyramids. There was 3.
مش هلا في اخر 5 دقايق.
آخر شيء إيديك.
بوم ملوش لازمه.
أيوه.
يعني عندك البوك بتاعنا الجوال ده.
أيوه.
شال بتاع حوالي 5 تجوال.
أيوه.
5 تجوال. عند اخويا اتجوز في شهر لسه ده يعني اتجوز في شهر 12 اللي فات.
ايوه.
علبة السجاير.
تشرب ليه؟ ما تخلي السيجارة عشان
بشرب من هم.
So our tour is over. That was so nice. We're about to get some food. I'm hungry. Oh, there's AC in here. Oh, Mia,
KFC pizza.
no way. This shop is like a merge of Pizza Hut and KFC. Is this sweat or highlight? You'll never know. I'm gonna get my food, I'll be back. You guys, look at this view.
المنتخب الياباني بيقدم مباراة رائعة النهارده.
We are on the taxi home now. The 1 hour and a half of sleep is catching up to me. Yeah, we had a really good day today. I really enjoyed it. Like, even though that was my second time seeing it, it was still like, whoa. You know, it was really nice. And my battery's about to die. It's like flashing. So I'm ending this video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I certainly enjoyed filming it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And also don't forget to check out my last vlog. It should have been posted by now when I went to the River Nile. Okay, I'll see you guys. Okay, bye. خلاص.